Hello everyone, this is Pervades Rasanai, and this is part of the series Pervades Notebook. There's been a really interesting motion recently as a part of a case in the United States, and it's been making its ways around a lot of blogs and articles. It's about how someone used an AI tool to help create legal documents, approximately 31 documents, and what ended up happening is the plaintiff, which is the government in this case, filed a motion compelling the production of those records. Now, the defendant stated that it's attorney-client privilege and it was used for creating legal strategy and for legal purposes. And he did share the documents with his attorneys before this motion happened, and he claimed that it's attorney-client privileged. What ended up happening is the judge ruled that because the defendant shared the information with the AI tool, and that AI tool has an express provision that what was submitted was not confidential. This is the first major federal ruling directly holding that a client's use of consumer AI tools destroys privilege. So the client used AI to prepare his defense, and the court said that's a disclosure to a third party, and thus privilege has been waived. Very interesting here. It goes to show how important the terms of conditions are if you're using AI tools, and if you're using AI meeting software and tools to transcribe audio, to take notes for meetings. You just have to be aware that it's almost as if you're sharing it to a third party. In fact, you are sharing it to a third party, and the idea for attorney-client and solicitor-client privileged communications, it has to remain confidential. There are rules surrounding this, and once you waive confidentiality, or once you provide it to a third party, and that third party, it could be an AI provider, you have waived privilege. Now, there are frameworks. There are some third parties that you could provide to, like an interpreter or for an accountant, and that wouldn't waive privilege because it's to further the understanding of the issues at hand. But it just goes to show now a lot of these communications may be discoverable during a legal proceeding. Now, I'm not a lawyer. This is not legal advice. I've just been reading and following these developments. Very interesting stuff. And once again, this is Pervades Rasanigam, and this is part of the series Pervades Notebook. Thank you.